Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another review from the rig, where I attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it smell good? We're not in the rig. We're at home. My rig is in the shop getting a motor vehicle inspection done, and they're having some issues with it, so we're at home for this one. So today, I used this in a video the other day. This is the latest doppelganger from Phoenix Shaving ELECTRO HIGH SHINE. This pays homage to the 1996 release of Chrome by Azzaro, and I hope I'm saying that properly. Now, Azzaro is considered a fresh, aromatic citrus. So, refer to my notes here. Let's get into this. We have top notes of citrus, rosemary, bergamot, neroli, and pineapple. We have heart notes of jasmine, oak moss, cyclamen, and coriander. We have base notes of musk, cedar, sandalwood, cardamom, Brazilian rosewood, and tonka bean. Now, when this was originally launched, the idea was to evoke that sense, that feeling, that transition between the generations, the relationship between a father and a son, that timelessness. It is supposed to make you feel like you're in the sun-drenched Mediterranean. Words used to describe this, again, referring to some of my notes, of a sense of freedom, optimism, happiness, shared moments. It's considered bright, clean, invigorating, energetic, fresh, and airy. So, again, two-parter. I'm going to apply this to the back of my hand. I did use this in a shave a day or two ago. But again, being on my face, I can't smell it either, or I'm getting nose blind to it. At least in the back of my hand, I can apply, sniff a few times. So I'm going to apply this now, give you my initial thoughts. I have tried it a few times in the truck, and I'll come back in a few hours and tell you what I think of the dry down. So apply a liberal amount. Give it a few seconds for those alcohols to dissipate. Now again, this one, I wasn't love at first sniff. It's taken a bit to grow on me. And I have talked to Douglas and to Barry Bedford about this. Now, I don't get citrus right off the top. I get, overall, there is a fruit-ish in there, but now by comparison, something like Aqua Dulce, that I definitely get hit hard and fast with that citrus by comparison. This one here, I'm not getting that citrus the same way. Again, I'm getting a fruit-ish. I'm getting a nice, airy, clean, not, I wouldn't say crisp, but I'm definitely getting the florals in there. You can detect some of that spiciness in there. You can detect some of that woods, but I know that those woods are going to progress during a dry down. So this is also being described as metallic and aquatic. And again, talking with Barry and Douglas, I don't pick up what I would consider aquatic notes, marine notes. I don't get anything briny, but I guess the idea is not that those notes are specifically there, but that it brings you, again, to the Mediterranean coastline. It puts you in that mind of where aquatic would be. Again, I guess it was a much requested homage. Not something I'm familiar with, but I'm definitely curious about. So yeah, again, fruit-ish, not specific pineapple, not specific to the citrus, again, just my nose. Your not heavy florals, more fresh, more clean. It's definitely got a breathability, if that makes any sense. Very interesting scent if you're not familiar with it. Definitely masculine. I can imagine that this would bring you to a Mediterranean coastline, something obviously I've never experienced. But very interesting. So anyway, we're going to come back in a few hours and let you know what I think on the dry down. Stay tuned. So we are back. It's been probably a couple to 3 hours. So my observations here also combined with what I observed in the truck where I went for several more hours. I do find that over that span of time, this mellows out. It softens up quite a fair bit. Those florals soften up. You get those warmer tones, those warmer woods start to come through, but it still remains a lot softer. And I can really understand how they say that it's a clean, airy scent. Those scent notes come together, and again, they just very soften out a lot. And again, as I said previously, although I've never been to the Mediterranean, I can definitely understand how this would evoke that sense. So again, I don't get the citrus on this. I do find that fruit-ish kind of gets a little bit lost in there. Again, these are just my own observations. I don't know what the other guys think, but yeah, very soft, slightly warm, soft florals, but very clean. So yeah, but still masculine, understated. A very soft, subtle elegance in it even. So yeah, really interesting scent. Again, I'm not familiar with the OG, the Chrome by Azzaro, but yeah, this is a hit in my opinion. So if you've tried Chrome by Azzaro, let me know in the comments below. If this is something that might interest you, let me know in the comments below. So anyway, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. You guys take care, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.